Hello everyone, in this video we are going to be looking at commands, ribbons and tabs. A tab is across the top of the Excel window, and each tab has a corresponding ribbon that is arranged logically for you to easily identify. For example, if I would want to insert a picture or a shape, I'll click on the insert. I'll click on insert and then I'm able to insert or to pick up the picture or the shape that I would want to put in there. So that is it about the tabs and ribbons. So now a command. We all know that by default, a command is like an instruction that you tell someone to perform a task. Now, for the case of Excel, it's an instruction that you tell a program or Excel itself to perform a task. All commands in each ribbon are organized in different groups. For example, when I go to home, we have different groups. The clipboard has its own group, font, alignment, number, styles, etc. and etc. as you can go ahead. So notice that, for example, in the home tab and this particular group, when I click on cut, it will be able to provide me the screen tip. Now, some of these screen tips will be able to avail you with the keyboard shortcuts that we had seen in the previous video, and some will not be able to provide you with. So for example, if I'm working in this particular Excel sheet and I would want to cut or perform or inputting any kind of data, there are two things that will pop. The contextual menu, which is this one down, and then um the mini toolbar, which has the general formatting commands that you use on a daily. For example, the font size and all that, and then these other contextual menus that has cut, copy, paste, and all these other and different things that Excel avails you with. So that is it about the ribbons, commands, and tabs. Thank you so much for listening and watching. I hope you're able to pick up some.